बता दिया 5 पूरा हो जाए। Biological invasions are recognized as a major threat to biodiversity, and the impact in freshwater environments are of a particular concern. Introductions of invasive freshwater aliens. Biological invasions are recognized as a major threat to biodiversity, and their impact in freshwater environments are of a particular concern. Introductions of invasive freshwater alien species are a significant and growing problem worldwide, including in Slovenia. The Cythrophoria of Slovenia inhaled water is represented by 97 fish species, of which 28% of endemic. Recent data shows that alien fish introductions are a major threat to the native Cyclophonia in the region, particularly to the concerned species. Until 2005, in Slovenia, 6 fish species was introduced, and between them 10 have already established in the inland water of Slovenia. The introduction of non-native fish species in Slovenia were performed mainly by fishermen, either intentionally or accidentally, while restocking rivers with native species. And many introductions in Slovenia have been carried out on a present basis. Protection of Enthalophonia is provided under the National Freshwater Fisheries Act, Nature Conservation Act, and related decrees. But they are particularly ineffective and mere able to effectively control the introduction and translation of non-native fish species in Slovenia are still lacking, even after the recent EC regulation on invasive alien species came into force. The data there has been only 2 studies on history of introduction in Slovenia, and since then several new records of non-native fish species occurred in inland waters of Slovenia. Thus, the aim of this paper was to update the checklist of non-introduced freshwater species in Slovenia, and second is just and evaluate the vectors and pathways of the recent introductions and determine the recent expansion of non-native fish species in Slovenia. Also, potential impact of the newly introduced fish species are decreased. Materials and methods. Study area. Slovenia dense river network is extensive and consists of 59 rivers, which are divided by hydrologically into the Black Sea and the Adriatic drainages. The majority of the inland waters fall within the Black Sea drainage, while a similar part belongs to Adriatic Sea basin. The Black Sea drainage is dominated by the transboundary Sava River, with its tributes to Kupa bordering with Croatia, and with the transboundary of the Drava River and its tributary Mura, also shared with Croatia. The Soka Isonzo flows through Slovenia, draining into the Adriatic at the non-eastern Italian coast. However, unlike the large Danube tributes, most of the rivers of the Adriatic Sea basin form small and isolated catchments, most with a seasonal regime and often drying summer. Slovenia has several natural lakes, mostly in alpine region, either of glacial region such as the Triglav Lake, Lake Bled, and Lake Bohinj. The deepest and largest pyramids natural lake in Slovenia are of our karst origin, which are intermediate such as Kokinia, Lake of numerous small Polji lakes in the Novotanska region. Data collected and data processing. Historical data were derived from POVZ, POVS and Summer 2005 and POVS 2017, and recent data from various published and grey literature source, books and manuscripts. The degree of accumulation suspected impacts on native species and the paths and vectors of introduction was assessed according to Cobb et al. 2005, POVS and Summer 2005, and Peria 2018, respectively. The area of recent distribution was estimated as a proportion of the total area of Slovenia, which encompassed to 2,216 squares. Using the UTM grid zone of the world converts to classes. Results and discussions. By the end of 2017, a total of 97 fish species has been recorded in Slovenia in inland waters. 75 indigenous and 25 introduced. Pose at OVIC 1988, summer 2017, Pose and summer 2005, Piria 2016,